This is going to be a quick tutorial. Let's go. Get the files from the post on Patreon. Get the Scone file, open it, and you have this basic scene. You can press play and it will do its stuff. The ball will fall. What we would like to do is to make the ball to hit the skeleton. As you evaluated the scene, you are not able to change the parameters here, so you can go to the file, reload, and you can change it. You can change the position of the ball. You can also change the skeleton, but I'm going to focus on the ball only. And for example, I want to make it go on the x-axis. So I'm gonna put in velocity. This part is for the velocity, minus 10. And we can press play or scenario evaluate. I'm gonna do the calculation. You got this result. Okay, so after the simulation, you can save this evaluation doing file, save evaluation data. This file is going to be saved on the same folder of the Scone file, this file that you opened. It's going to have an STO extension. We finished the job on Scone. Now we can go to Blender. Open the blend file that is provided on the post, and you got something like this. What you have to do is you have to get the path to the place that you unzipped the Scone files. Basically is the place that you have this STO file. If you're using the same files that I sent you, you just have to change the path. The rest should be fine. And you see here we don't have any animation, and changing the path, pressing play here, run, you will have that animation to be imported here. Okay, but what happens? This animation is not actually on the skeleton. They are on the objects, these objects. So in case you want to clear it and run it again, you select all these files inside the Modelo collection, select them all, and on the graph view you can press A to select everything, X to delete them all. Then you have no animation. Let me put the animation back. Okay, we got the animation on these objects that transfer to these empties that drives the rig. To have the animation data on the rig, we need to bake it. What we can do is press F3, and you gotta have this menu. You can type bake and choose bake action. You have to uncheck the selected bones, select the visual key, override current actions, select big data to pose, and choose location, and press shift press to select the rotation to. Press OK, and you're gonna have the animation in the rig. Now you can import your character to retarget the animation to it. Here I imported a Mixamo character. Let me move it to the side for better view. Now we can open, I'm gonna show how to do it using AutoRig Pro. Let me go to the remap part. Let me clear this all. You select the source emitter, press the rig, and press here, and the destination, and press here. Press build bone list, so it gets the bones for both characters, and you have to map the bones between them. The simplest way that I find is select the source and destination, change to pose mode, and you have to select this spine, org spine, press here so you can get that bone in the view here, and let me select the spine on the destination and press here. Spine are they are the root, so I'll select the root. Then I can select the leg, press here, here, and keep doing the same thing for the rest. And to finish, okay, now I have the bones map. I'm gonna redefine the rest pose, select the legs, redefine the rest pose, okay. Oh, sorry, now you select the legs, copy selected bones rotation, apply, and now you can bind to see if it works. And it works. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it and hope it's useful. Bye.